Today, I'll show you how to do social media planning for your Instagram account using this simple yet powerful Kanban board. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, this method will help you stay organized and efficient. Let's get started. A Kanban board is a visual tool that helps you manage your workflow. You can use any app, but we are using Kanbanchi for this tutorial. You can try it for free and get a 40% discount on your first purchase with the link in the description. In Kanbanchi, we set up a basic board with 5 columns: ideas, to-do, in progress, scheduled, and published. Start by brainstorming concepts that you'd like to see in the ideas column. They don't need to be perfect, and don't worry about sorting them out yet, just draft them. Next, move your chosen ideas to the to-do column. This means it's ready to be worked on. For example, here we have an Instagram post for a new product launch. Inside each card, break down the tasks required to complete the content. This card needs a description, hashtag research, and a brief script of what the followers should see in the Instagram post. For example, a close-up photo of a skateboard or a video of Tony Hawk doing a trick. Once the checklist is completed, you can move the card from to-do to in progress. Now, it's time to edit that photo or video or to create some stunning graphics. And you'll probably do it via Canva, Photoshop, CapCut, or Premiere Pro. Once the content is ready, move it to the schedule column. Add the date and time it should be posted so the social media manager will know exactly what to do. After the content goes live, drag the card to published. This will give you a satisfying sense of accomplishment and a visual record of your achievements. And if you'd like to achieve the same result, get Kanbanchi at a 40% discount using the link in the description. Do it now and enhance your productivity.